Oh, I am recording. I'm getting used to my new iPhone 11, you guys. I have no control over the music in this video. So disclaimer, don't know the songs, don't know the name of the bands, and don't care. I'm in a public laundromat. So, what, I guess hurt so good, whatever. So I'm here doing laundry at Rosemont Thrifty Wash here in Rosemont, California, which is a part of Sacramento. Oh, and hi you guys, welcome to Asia's Travel Adventures in Asia. So I was doing laundry and look, oh, the washing machine broke. So anyways, had to switch out washers. Now I gotta switch out, this one's done. So now I gotta switch this one to the dryer. That's what I'm doing. So I need a buggy. Here we go. Laundry time with Asia. So let's see if I can prop this one up. And get the clothes out of the washing machine. But anyways, doing laundry and the washing machine broke and it sucks. Oh, there's a close-up of my nose. So just trying to make the best out of it I can. I did send an email message to them, so hopefully they get that. And I'm trying to get my $2 back from the washer. So I emailed them about that. I even sent them pictures of the broken washing machine with the water still in it. And I had to switch wash machines to the next one because the clothes obviously were like sopping wet. So I think I got everything out. Looks good. All right, that one's disgusting. I think I got everything out of there. And then we switched it to this one. So now I'm back on time and $2 short. I'm glad the dryers are at least $1. So here's the inside of the dryer. So now, gotta push this cart. There you go. So now throw all the clothes in the dryer. I have no control over this song either in this video. I gotta get money out of my purse. If I can find it. That's not it. Oh, there it is. So, what a morning. Okay. There it goes. Getting laundry done. Put this little cart. Ooh, these carts never want to go in the direction you want them to go in. Look. Oh. Man. But this is a cool laundromat. I'm literally the only person in the whole laundromat right now, you guys. Only person. This sounds funky. There's water everywhere. Please don't tell me that washing machine's gonna break too. Oh my god. So I'm the only one in here. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. So here's the laundromat. That one's not working either. Oh. Should have known something was up when I came in here. But I love this laundromat though. They're cheap. Their dryers actually work really good most of the time. Here's my purse. All this. Ooh. 6 loads, what? All this. The back door. And the dryers. Only person in the whole laundromat. I got it all to myself. Woo woo. Look at this. This is where you change your dollars into dollar coins. If it don't make dollars, it don't make sense. But yet these dollars do make sense. They make dollar sense. Like, funny. Hi, good morning. All right, so subscribe, hit that bell for further notifications. All right, peace.